You know,
Shoe.
it has come to my attention that you do not like my shoes. You say bad things about my shoes. This is a great shoe. Look at the utility value of this shoe. Look at this. It's got really thick padding. Okay.
Yes.
And there's hardly, you can't see. There's,
The logo.
Are we supposed to mention brands? Okay. It's got good traction. Okay. And it's an extremely comfortable shoe. And this is like $49 at Zappos. This
Okay.
and when
It
I wear it
shows.
out, I get rid of it and I replace it.
Which is not a sustainable model.
Oh, sustainable shoes.
I don't care for that. You should buy a shoe that will last for a very long time. Okay, can we talk about the squeaky? Wait, he gets these shoes, and then he's
Here
walking
we
around
go
going,
with the shoes.
Squeak,
A little squeak. It
squeak,
doesn't matter. It sounds like a little mouse. It's not a big deal.
no, sometimes it's super loud.
Well, in museums and stuff, yeah.
Yeah.
Or airports, it's a little
Yeah,
loud. No,
probably.
the elastic laces are awesome. Leave it. Don't. Oh, look what you did.
I messed it up.
I messed it up. See, now I gotta retie it. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
See, with the elastic laces,
Yeah.
all I gotta do.
Oh my God, you don't even have to tie your
That's
shoe.
right. I don't have to tie my shoe.
I never knew that.
And then I don't have to tie my shoe, and then I can go
Walk
your dog.
in the dark.
Because walking your dog is one of the things I do to show how much I love you.